The fury of 1,000 suns unleashed. Engineering the power of total fusion.
Confirmed. Running high-energy data extraction now. Fusion yield mapping active. You see, peak output matches our models. This is a breakthrough.
Forging the shell of an artificial star.
Initiating descent. Sparks incoming. Pressure holding. Looks good. Retracting ram. Next plate.
Reflecting power back into the core. Perfect symmetry for absolute compression.
Beam centered. Verifying symmetry. Alignment confirmed. Perfect symmetry achieved.
Capturing energy in a web of foam. Flawless pathways for the final spark.
Channels. Real-time 3D map confirms uniform geometry and radiation flow. Non-destructive verification successful. All channels clear.
Absolute integrity within the steel heart. Synchronized to a billionth of a second. The spark that ignites the star. Shielding the fire from its own spark.
Steady. Guide it between the primary and secondary. Set. Lock it in place.
Unbreakable armor for a cosmic reaction.
500 newtons. Layer integrity is optimal. No anomalies detected. Proceeding to next phase. Monitor for pressure spikes.
A digital eye within the artificial sun.
Link established. Green lights are active. Monitoring core temperature and pressure levels during transport.
The final spark, ready for command.
Cradle. Plugging in multicolored harness. Data link LEDs active. Synchronization with internal power grid commencing.
Locked within a shell of absolute silence.
Smoothing with the tool to ensure zero air pockets. Layer is now secure for heat management.
Safety systems primed for the unthinkable.
Interlocks. Torque settings locked, switches armed and secure.
A voice that carries through the void.
Antennas for real-time flight performance monitoring. Connecting thick fiber optic link for data transmission.
Protected against the elements of time.
Connecting the lines now. Purge complete. Frost is forming on the valves. Pressurizing actuators. Ready for separation.
Nitrogen locked, pressure stabilized for the void. Severing the link, the Titan awakens. The final barrier is removed. We are ready.
Contact. Secure the clamps. Confirm isolation.
The Titan is moved into its final cradle. Protocol SUNFIRE. Authorization confirmed. A star is born in the heart of the storm.